everyone, welcome to Simple Things. Does your phone hangs every now and then? Are you tired of deleting files and videos and photos but it still hangs whenever you try to do something important? Trust me, I know how frustrating that is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some easy and simple solutions that anybody can try in your mobile. You don't have to be a tech savvy person to fix it. If you want to know how to prevent this hanging problem from happening, I have given some extremely useful tips at the end of the video. Please check out. Why does a smartphone hangs? There are a number of reasons for that. The first and foremost culprit is low storage space. Actually, data like videos, games and high resolution photos takes up a lot of space in our phone. Using more than 80% of phone storage will slow down your phone and it will gradually result in hanging or freezing. So make sure you delete or transfer the large files before your phone storage uses more than 80% of the capacity. Open the settings option. Okay, when you open settings, all these options will come and click on storage option. So once the storage option is open, it will show how much it is used in your mobile and how much is left. Okay, once it is crosses more than 80%, you can clean up. Like this, in some mobile you can do, or else you can directly go to the gallery and clean your files. Next is low RAM capacity. If your phone has low RAM capacity, it can run only a minimum number of apps at the same time. Installing many applications usually causes the phone to hang often. For low RAM capacity mobiles, I'll show you how to check. Open settings. From the settings, select the last options, which is the system option. From the systems, open systems and select it, and the first option from that, about phone, will show all the specifications of your phone. Okay, in that the RAM size also will be given. The RAM size depends upon on high-end phones. It will be like 4, 6, 8, 12, just like that it will go on, and low-end phones it will be lesser. So if you're using a low-end phone, RAM size will be low. If the RAM size is less, and what you have to remember is that do not open so many applications at a time. Okay, it will slow down the processor and eventually the phone will hang. And do not open so many browsers at a time if the RAM size is low. Just like that, if you are being careful, you can use it. The phone won't hang. So another thing that you can do if your phone hangs very often is clear the cache. If one particular app is causing it, if one app suddenly closes or stops responding, you can try clearing its cache data. App cache is some small bits of information stored to speed up the use of user experience. But if the app misbehaves, you can clear the cache data, which will make the app working again and your phone too. So open settings and then go to apps. Okay, different apps will be there. In that option, apps option, you just open. Once apps option is open, the first one is apps. Again, select the first one. Okay, when you select that, all the applications that has been installed in your mobile will be visible. From that, whatever app is causing that pausing problem or freezing problem, that particular app you select. Once it is open, select the storage options, and from the storage options you can see the clear cache option. Once you press on that, all the small bits of information that has been stored about the app will be deleted. Even after clearing the cache, if the app still stops, then you can clear the data as well. If you clear the data, all the access information like the login information will also be lost. Then you will have to log in again. After doing that, restart your mobile, your app and your phone will work smoothly. It can be because of malware apps also. If you are a person who download apps from many sites, it will most probably contribute to phone hanging. Apps downloaded from not trustworthy app sites may contain virus, so always download it from your default app store. Just like that, whatever type of phone you're using, its default app store only you download applications. Next culprit can be overheating. Continuous use of phone will cause heating of the phone, which will eventually make it hang. A smartphone's heat should normally be between 35 to 38 degrees Celsius. If it is being overheated, just stop using it for a while. Another thing can be because of phone software. Outdated software will also make it hang. System software should be updated regularly. So to check whether you have to update your software, open settings, and then in that setting option, the down last option system. In that, the second option, as you can see, software update. If you have to update is pending, it will show you there, and directly you can download and install the latest version of the software. If nothing works, you can always reset the factory settings. It will give your phones a fresh start. But always remember to back up the files, because once you reset it to factory settings, all the files will be lost. And the basic applications, you will have to, whatever application you want, you will have to download and use it again. So open settings, and then in that the last option which will come as system, in that one is reset option is there. As you can see here, one reset option is there. You can click on that. It will ask for what you want to reset, whether you have to reset all the settings or the network settings, whatever it is needed. It will ask and reset your phone. And always remember that if you are resetting, it will just go back to the default settings, okay, and all the software you have downloaded and used after that will be gone, and everything will be gone. Actually, everything will be cleared, and your system phone will start working properly after this. But always remember to back up the data. So to back up, this is what you have to click. See, as you can see here, it will ask for a data backup option, and you can back up the data and keep. Next, I'll tell you some tips to avoid hanging the phone in the first place. Okay, so always, if your phone is having many large files like videos and games and all, if you're storing it for a very long time, it will eventually make it to hang. So always delete the files or transfer it to something else. The large files, always transfer it to something else. And uninstall suspicious apps, use antivirus, and avoid live or moving animated wallpapers. Always use some simple wallpapers if it is necessary, and use external memory, SD cards or something. Move songs and videos, you can store it to your SD card. And avoid multitasking. Avoid running multiple tabs while surfing internet. Both slows down the processor and consumes a lot of RAM. And always use a good antivirus software if you're using so much of internet. It's always good to have a good antivirus protection in your mobile, and always update software.